Hello everyone and welcome back to PolicyX. Today we are discussing a vital topic जो है health insurance making informed choices. Medical emergencies can strike anyone anywhere, but what if the best treatment option waits outside your home country? There are two main options to consider health insurance base plan with critical illness coverage जो कैंसर, किडनी अलाइनमेंट या लिवर से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स के ट्रीटमेंट को कवर करता है, या फिर ग्लोबल हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस जो मेडिकल एक्सपेंसेस से लेकर ट्रेवल कॉस्ट तक को कवर करता है. Global health insurance offers a broader safety net. Imagine needing specialized treatment that's unavailable at home. Global coverage ensures your medical expenses, travel cost, and even accommodation during treatment abroad are taken care of. है ना peaceful? I know, right? This provides peace of mind knowing that you will receive the best possible care wherever you are. But you should be aware that global plans typically comes with higher premiums due to the extensive coverage. But if you are a budget-conscious individual and less of a traveler, then obviously base plan is best. These plans are affordable, premiums are generally lower compared to global options. Additionally, it offers financial protection in case of critical illness diagnosis by providing a lump sum payout. This way, you can easily manage the financial burden associated with such situations. However, the coverage is primarily limited to your home country and might not extend to medical expenses incurred overseas. Although choosing the right option depends on your situation and needs, if you travel often for work or vacation, a global health insurance plan might be essential. If you do not travel frequently, then base plan with a critical illness cover should be sufficient. PolicyX will assess your situation and recommend plans that align with your budget and lifestyle. Always compare plans carefully, reading the fine print to understand the details of coverage, exclusions, and claim procedures. By understanding your needs and comparing the available options, you can make an informed decision and secure the best financial protection for your health. Don't forget to visit our website for more information and share this knowledge with your loved ones. Until next time, bye.